Ini ke video asna namta kitu giban satu exam namta ka IB security assistant multitasking. Teknik ke previous year question arjar khantai ma. Te ki question ki debe jo class 10 nangba te sapej hang ni security assistant EXE examination 2018 nama ki to exam de arjar khat khantai. Te ki jingli ki wan jingkhen ta hang ne. What are the highest common factor and lowest common factor of 6, 72, 120? Ketuk answer 6, 360. Sakhen mapi. Kene ki answer ada don apa? Number 2, if a quadratic polynomial y is called ax squared plus bx plus c intersects x axis at alpha and beta, then yang tu kade ketuk answer. Kini kita kelas 10 mau kami atama kita beri kelas 10 baru. 3 if in two linear equation x plus bx is equal c and dx plus ey is equal f and a by d equal b by e is equal c by f, then which of the following is true about the two equation? Derivation constant line. Near kelas 10 baru. Root of the quadratic equation kene answer kade. Root of the quadratic equation 2x squared plus x minus 5 to 8 is equal 0 is answer kena day 16 no. So check into day 16. Correct answer is 16. Yes, prepare bah kini kiban satu exam akan clear so tarik. Sum of a positive integer from 1 to 100 is 5050. So prepare bah itu area of a similar triangle ABC and triangle DF be 64 and 1 to 1. Take a day 11.2 cm. Near Jong Castan bar or Gideon Castan and come Kalanhi, Tama Baro Gideon Castan. Area of a triangle with vertices at 2, 3, minus 1, 0, and 2 minus 4 is Kadiganega number 21 by 2 square unit. Sapejha, come shy Baganega. Number 8, 2 into tan 30 degree. 1 plus tan by 1 plus tan square 30 degree equal kadai sin 60 degree. Number 9, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The answer kadai number 8, 10 by root 3 meters. 10 by root 3 meters. Jadi near the jong class 10 baru kadai jong class 10 by come equation. The length of a tangent from point A. Number 10, the length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 from the center of the circle is 4 centimeters. Radius circle is 3 centimeters. Length of unit hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Answer is 154 by 3 square centimeter. Number 12, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6. Height of the resultant cylinder would be 2.74. The one of community bakin one gibasuk the kame equation but can don't a negative marking belong 0.25. The what nom tick lumar mo hagan exam. A box contains 3 blue, 2 whites and 4 red marbles. Near class 10 a try pian nang he can never comes can come suk if he let up practice kum gini. Question probability kepada probability te pin kamsuk kane ban practice mo te persiapan practice ba kane pin la baje kane answer rate 2 by 9. If marble return a random from the box, what is the probability that would be 1? 2 by 9. Which of the following cannot be probability of an event? Te kane ba khat lai bling ang kasuk nomor ba pi hapa thok ka total siapa te total number kadena sau sandru nyo prakhandai te khandai te white kadega no white de 2 te kane pi ban la bajmo. So the answer is 2 probability 2 by 9. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? They minus 1.5 te sapen prepare ba ma probability pi ban la baj k1 by kumne ma equation kan ma ba mean rokawan mean of a group data calculated using direct method, assessment method or step division method is the same. Kan mau ki answer jong kini kanero kan mau ha kepada jong khasan ada ngiwat min lada kali daka direct method ne daka assuming method ne daka step division method ngin yo baik daka ju ke answer lada pila ada ke kelas 10 pila ban ken mau bahaya kata marki don lightly method but answer nyo hi ka ju hi is the same. Which of the following is a prime number? Pitip itu the new prime number. Temukan mau kita ibu kambiang. If polynomial px is equal x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3 is divided by polynomial, kan itu don class 10. Tapi haban divide, haban practice ba. The answer ke x minus 3, 7x minus 9. Number katpra if in triangle ABC, if side AB is equal to 6 root 3, AC is equal to 12, BC 6, then angle B equal 90 degree. What are the coordinates of the point which divide the line joining minus 1, 7, 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2, 3? Answer kade 1, 3. Volume of a cone, niki formula jungi turu, haban kan mau baro, volume of a cone, volume of a sphere, volume of a circle, bone magidon itu. Tapi haban kan mau baro, ika formula mo, pule by formula. Te kade pi r square h by 3. Kan mau formula pule, ter ada r totally gede naka jingkhen. Thì don saka jike ru phaban pleba bag mawa da phimla eka jingkhen bu shwa tho shwa de jike. International Day of Yoga celebrated te katukre 21st June. City of Lake in India kadon hapo Udaipur. Which of this is not caused by virus? TB. How many states are there in India? Po Arab Khandai. During Akbar regime, who carried out on revenue reforms? Todar Mal. Which of the following is the unit of heat? Joules. Who among the following is the future Buddha that is yet to come? Maitreya. Jaundice is caused due to malfunctioning of liver. Sangpo river flow through Tibet is known in India as Brahmaputra. Yuri Gagarin is the first cosmonaut to reach space. First from which country? Russia. What is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit? 212 degree Fahrenheit. Caliban, the Indus Valley site is in Rajasthan. Who was the founder of Banaras University? Madan Mohan Malviya. Kini general knowledge rogi dei bekiba broad batch haban pulebha. Where do you find the temple of Angkor Wat? Cambodia. Which of the following can cause a tsunami, earthquake? The Bagra Dam in India is built on Sutlej River. Hurut, Ramcharit Manas, Tulsidas. The river known as Ganj of the South Kaveri. Where is the Tungbhadra sanctuary located? Karnataka. Where is Nanda Devi mountain? Uttarakhand. Jaya Samhita is the original name of Mahabharata. Ricket is caused due to efficiency of vitamin D. Who was the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar. Which sport is the butterfly associated with? Swimming. Kadan ka butterfly swimming. The resolution of removal of Vice President of India should be moved in Rajya Sabha. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron filling? Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. A solution to 100 litmus paper is pH is likely to be 10. Kani kadina science kidon naga science ru kidon. The social ru kidon phaban pulibha. An element with oxygen to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. Canadian science, calcium. While cooking, is the bottom of the vessel getting blackened on the outside means that fuel is not burning completely. So that's maths, science. Maths, science. Which of the following statement is not correct about the trend when going from left to right across the period of the predictable oxide of the element become more acidic? Kidney in human beings are a part of the system for excretion. The gap between two neurons is called a synapse. In a plant, the anther contains pollen grains. In evolutionary terms, we have more in common with a Chinese school. Which of the following material cannot be used to mix a land, clay? The human eyes form the image of an object and its retina. Which of the following term does not represent electric watt in a circuit? IR square. I don't lang about physics, but chemistry, but biology ma jong class 10. Which of the following is not an example of biomass energy source? Nuclear energy. Which of the following constitute a food chain? Grass, goat, and human. I don't lang about social. Pleasure and pain are inseparable facet of human existence hangne la poi sak English ru. Is there a fitness center near your house? He has hardly read the book. Experience of pain is real and affect one's body, mind and spirit. He drove with little care and hence was fined by traffic police. Kan mau ba baru tho da tho ba da kan mau ba da sotikna sa tho am sotikna apshwa. The 3 monkeys that escaped from the Delhi Zoo were found eating bananas in a fruit shop. We are planning to go out on a picnic tomorrow. The train have reached Delhi by now. For question number 21.5, select the word spelled incorrectly. Kiba bakala spelling mischief, grammar kiba bakala spelling magine vehicle kidon gum ginero pi perform ha ginero dentist haja gum jadi dentist to the dentist bakala spelling volcano bakala spelling sha didosi. Then 76 to 80, choose one of the four words can be substituted for a given sentence. A person who believes in God. Kalong opposite no the theist but atheist unum webam ngejubelai the theist they believe in God. The story of an individual by himself, autobiography kabehab but contain balai. A book or paper written in hands in manuscript. A number of ships in fleets. A young cow in calf. Find the odd one out. Balong yaper negini contain the Dal Lake, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Kaveri, ammeter, thermometer, barometer, the temperature, mango, apple, kiri-kiri-kiso, the potato di pan, to potato, Aizawa, Tripura, Shillong, the Tripura, kadai state, kinegwe, kidegi, capital, takadao, have now one page, Europe have live English, page ha. For question number 86 to 90, choose a pair of words. Find the relationship between the two words. What artly contain then choose from the option which the relationship is almost similar. Kibalong jan yakaju but kamai question. Copper metal, but paper, spice. Gradually wheat, archive, document. Albania but Europe, Cote d'Ivoire, Africa. Uranium, nuclear power plant. Coal, thermal power plant. Phap tip mo kajingya kayu uranium tengi ra hapo nuclear power plant bansna ki tane coal ru kwan show thermal power plant. The Halikar cow, Dutch Hun dog tum na tip hai gitu. In the number series modes agi aptitude kini ru phaban practice ba kham pin kham la agni ban kama sejrong jong kasten tegene aptitude. In the number series kibri chmang number series what number should come next te phap page day te hangne day 10 is the number that should come next. Okay, wait, 7 10 8 11 9 12 yes is 10 nyo prak nice pomo it is 10. What come next? R U X A D phaban nakhe magina te hangne day G. If the 7th day of the month is 3 days earlier than Friday, then what will be the on the 19 days of the month, Sunday? Kane phapan kalai kreteng have you compared if earn is related to rent, RANE phapan change, then bond is related to NODB. In the same way, tier is related to AERT. Phapan punya snow igini contain your dabai then sapan kalakum ju. Average age of a father and his son is 22 years. The ratio of their age is 10:1. What is the age of the son? 4 years. For question number 96 to 100, each question comprises of a statement and 2 conclusions. The hangne don't make a conclusion, but as number 2 as assuming that the statement is true. The phaban tick kano basudai way. Lail pa statement bisa tick kano basudai berkamde. In one of the cricket match, a team made 200 runs, out of which 160 runs were made by spinner. Tell along the conclusion, artly the 80% team consists of spinner. Opening batsmen were spinner. They have jet nang lebre. Niki answer the hene kadega number C. Neither 1 nor 2. The old order change yielding place to new. Conclusion: change is the law of nature. Discard all ideas because they are old. The only conclusion 1. Yeah, change is the law of nature. Because of growth in production of aluminium by National Aluminium Company, India has become self-sufficient in aluminium. Conclusion: previously India has to import aluminium. At this rate, India may start exporting aluminium. Teka badai kadai tangka number 1. Only conclusion once. 99. All mangoes are golden in colors. No golden color things are cheap. All mangoes are cheap. Conclusion. Not cheap. Humdere bakla kata. Golden colors mangoes are not cheap. Turo humdere ta. Only conclusion once. Follow. All mangoes are golden in color. Ta ngamla tip hai kane. Only conclusion once. Follow. Okay, ta dekha to. 100. Jade plant has thick leaves and it requires little water. Conclusion. All plants with thick leaves require little water. Jade plant may grow in places where water is not in abundance. Neither one nor two follows. Te pilatip menta ki question ke bakumno kinwan te kanwan ga jingkhen arpotoli ki question practice bha te kinwan naga science ru physics chemistry biology kinwan bej te na social studies ru kinwan bej ne ki GK ru kinwan bej ki badej pang ki politics ke gitu kinwan bej te aptitude ru kinwan bej te penkre bha menta kat banang don por namta kane ke exam English ru ki don bej English te ke badai bej negino exam na da pila men ba exam shay don bej mgine ki correct spelling ke barok ki don bej te sa pej nuksa masa penkre elde namta kane exam ka banwan tangini pressure